Why put so many flyers on my car? I already know this project. This is a good investment project, strategic location and nearby to MVV 2.0. I know because I already bought this one and I'm the owner of this project. Thank you, Ms. Shikin, to be as one of our purchaser Bidara Suria 3. This is the best investment project and strategic location, which is high population area, town-to-town area, education hub, and near to KLIA. Now I will show you all our project. Introducing you Bidara Suria 3 double-story shoplot, starting build up from 20 x 70 to 30 x 90. This is suitable for all business types such as laundry, restaurant, gymnasium, or many more. Bidara Suria 3 is in a prime location because it's located in the main road of Seremban, Nilai, and KLIA. And most importantly,
within 10 km radius, got over 50 unit package.
Bidara Suria 3 also nearby to resident area, school area, and highway. Hey! For your information, Bidara Suria 3 is a freehold and individual title project. If you purchase now, we offers you free SPA. So if you are planning to expand your business or to start up your business in a prime area, do contact me now. I will share to you the details of Bidara Suria 3. Bye!